¿Y si pudieras aprender inglés mientras cocinas? Sin estudiar, sin memorizar, solo escuchando. Quédate, porque hoy vas a entrenar tu inglés de forma natural mientras haces algo de tu vida diaria. Este método funciona porque tu cerebro aprende mejor con contexto. Vas a escuchar frases en inglés despacio, claras, y luego las vas a ver en situaciones reales, en sus contextos. No traduzcas, solo escucha y entiende poco a poco. Repite cada una de estas oraciones en voz alta. I am in the kitchen. I am cooking. I am cooking dinner. I am preparing food. I feel hungry. I want to eat. I take a pan. I take a pot. I turn on the stove. I turn on the light. I open the fridge. I take out the food. I see vegetables. I see chicken. I see rice. I clean the table. I get ready to cook. I wash my hands. I start cooking. Everything is ready. Ahora escucha estas oraciones en un contexto más real utilizando conectores. I am in the kitchen and I am cooking dinner. I feel hungry, so I want to eat soon. I take a pan and a pot and then turn on the stove. After that, I open the fridge and take out the food. I see vegetables, tofu, and rice. I clean the table, wash my hands, and start cooking. Everything is ready now. Ahora otra vez repite las oraciones que voy mencionando. I cut the vegetables. I cut the tomatoes. I cut the onion. I cut the garlic. I use a knife. I use a cutting board. I wash the vegetables. I peel the onion. I mix the ingredients. I add salt. I add pepper. I add oil. I add water. I stir the food. I cook slowly. I smell the food. The food smells good. The food looks good. I keep cooking. I enjoy the process. Ahora veamos estas oraciones en un contexto real con sus conectores correctos. I cut the vegetables, the tomatoes, and the onion. I also cut some garlic. I use a knife and a cutting board. Then I wash the vegetables and peel the onion. I mix all the ingredients and add salt, pepper, oil, and water. I stir the food and cook slowly. The food smells good and looks delicious. I keep cooking and enjoy the process. Si puedes entender esto sin traducir, ya estás mejorando tu inglés. Suscríbete ahora porque este tipo de práctica es la forma más rápida de aprender inglés. I am cooking rice. I am cooking chicken. I am cooking dinner. I am preparing lunch. The food is hot. The pan is hot. The stove is on. I check the food. I taste the food. I add more salt. I add more water. I wait a few minutes. I cook for 10 minutes. I cook for 20 minutes. I move the pan. I mix everything. I watch the food. I don't want to burn it. I cook carefully. It is almost ready. Ahora veamos algunas de estas oraciones en un contexto más real. I am cooking rice and chicken. The pan is hot and the stove is on. I check the food and taste it. Sometimes I add more salt or water. I wait a few minutes and cook everything slowly. I move the pan and mix everything carefully because I don't want to burn it. Now it's almost ready. Ahora es tu turno de pronunciar esta oración. The food is ready. The food is ready. I turn off the stove. I serve the food. I put food on the plate. I sit down. I start eating. I eat slowly. The food tastes good. The food is delicious. I feel happy. I drink water. I enjoy my meal. I relax. I finish eating. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I put everything away. I feel full. I feel satisfied. Cooking is easy. Ahora veamos estas oraciones en un contexto más real nuevamente. The food is ready, so I turn off the stove and serve the food. I put the food on the plate and sit down. I start eating slowly and the food tastes really good. It is delicious. I feel happy and relaxed while I eat. After that, I finish eating, clean the table, and wash the dishes. I feel full and satisfied. Cooking is easy and enjoyable. Ahora vamos a escuchar un diálogo súper cortito. What are you doing? I am in the kitchen. I am cooking dinner. Oh, nice. What are you cooking? I am cooking rice and chicken with vegetables. That sounds delicious. Yes, the food smells really good. I'm hungry. Me too. It is ready? Almost. Just a few more minutes. Hey, what are you up to? I'm just cooking something quick. Nice. What are you making? Just some pasta with tofu. Nothing fancy. Sounds good. Do you need help? Maybe you can chop the vegetables. Sure, no problem. Thanks. Dinner will be ready soon. Wow, it smells amazing here. Thanks. I'm trying a new recipe. Really? Is it hard to make? Not really. It's actually pretty easy. That's good. I'm not great at cooking. Don't worry, you just need practice. Can I try it when it's ready? Of course. I'll let you know. Acabas de practicar inglés en una situación real, sin estudiar. Guarda este video, escúchalo mañana otra vez y comenta. I am cooking and learning English.